Earning a high six-figure salary of $100,000 to $250,000 a year in modern America was long considered the golden ticket to absolute financial peace of mind. Yet in today's ruthless economic environment dominated by runaway cost of living, high interest rates, aggressive lifestyle creep, and relentless inflation, millions of ambitious working professionals find themselves trapped in an invisible golden cage where, after federal income taxes, state taxes, FICA withholdings, medical premiums, $3,000 monthly rent or 7% mortgage interest, astronomical childcare costs, grocery bills, and multiple $800 auto loans, their entire paycheck vanishes into thin air within 48 hours of hitting their bank accounts, leaving them functionally broke with near-zero liquid reserves despite working 50 to 60 exhausting hours every single week. The deep psychological trap keeping the modern middle class and high-income earners completely immobilized is their blind obedience to an obsolete 20th century financial script, accumulating tens of thousands of dollars in high-interest student debt to obtain degrees, trading 40 of the best years of their physical lives to a corporate W-2 employer, mindlessly depositing a meager 5% into a fee-heavy target date fund, financing a 30-year suburban mortgage that eats up half their take-home pay, and desperately praying that the stock market and their physical health hold together long enough for them to finally enjoy their life and personal autonomy after they cross the age of 65. If you study the foundational mechanics of how the top 1% build, protect, and pass down generational fortunes in the United States, you quickly discover that the American financial and legal architecture is brutally designed to extract the maximum possible tax percentage from earned ordinary W-2 income, with combined tax brackets regularly exceeding 40 to 50%, while aggressively rewarding and legally protecting business owners, real estate syndicators, and equity investors through lower capital gains rates, qualified dividend exemptions, massive real estate depreciation write-offs, 1031 tax-deferred exchanges, and advanced leverage strategies like borrowing against appreciating asset portfolios to fund lifestyle expenses completely tax-free without ever triggering an IRS taxable event. To systematically escape this cycle and construct genuine wealth that outpaces inflation, you must immediately stop treating your monthly paycheck as disposable spending money and instead treat every single dollar that enters your possession as an obedient employee that must be deployed into acquiring income-generating, appreciating assets, abandoning erratic day trading, speculative cryptocurrency gambling, meme stock hype, and complex options schemes in favor of the mathematically invincible strategy of low-cost, broad market index funds, such as total U.S. stock market and S&P 500 funds, which completely eliminate individual company bankruptcy risk, carry virtually zero management expense ratios, and historically outperform over 92% of active Wall Street hedge funds over any rolling 15-year investment window purely through the exponential, uninterrupted power of compound interest. Executing this asset accumulation roadmap with institutional-grade efficiency demands that you route every invested dollar through a ruthless, tax-optimized order of operations. First, securing an immediate and guaranteed 100% risk-free return on your money by capturing the full employer match on your 401k. Then maxing out a health savings account to exploit the only triple tax-advantaged vehicle in U.S. law where your contributions lower your current year taxable income. Your investment returns grow completely tax-free, and all withdrawals for medical expenses are disbursed 100% tax-free, followed by aggressively funding a Roth IRA or executing a backdoor Roth conversion to lock in a lifetime of tax-free growth and tax-exempt retirement withdrawals that remain permanently shielded from whatever exorbitant tax rates future governments might implement. Once your primary tax-sheltered accounts are fully maximized each calendar year, your surplus capital must be strategically allocated between a robust high-yield emergency reserve yielding competitive interest in safe U.S. Treasury instruments to ensure you never have to liquidate equities during a sudden economic recession, and a flexible taxable brokerage account holding broad market index funds and cash-flowing real estate assets, providing you with unlimited liquid access to your compounding wealth at any age without triggering the early withdrawal penalties associated with traditional retirement plans. Simultaneously, you must confront the mathematical reality that extreme frugality, cutting minor daily pleasures, and clipping coupons have a hard floor because you can only reduce your living expenses down to zero whereas your top-line revenue and income generation have no theoretical ceiling, meaning that your ultimate long-term focus must be moving away from linear time-for-money labor and aggressively building asymmetric earning engines, such as acquiring scarce enterprise-level technical skills, launching scalable software or digital content assets with zero marginal distribution cost, developing high-ticket consulting offers, or negotiating profit sharing and equity compensation, which allows you to double or triple your gross income without doubling your working hours, driving your personal savings rate upwards of 50%. By deliberately eliminating all toxic high-interest consumer debt, refusing to inflate your living standards every time you receive a corporate salary bump, fully automating your investment transfers on the exact morning your paycheck clears, optimizing your legal tax structure to keep the maximum amount of your gross profit, and continuously funneling excess cash flow into compounding index funds, commercial real estate, and scalable business equity, you completely break the generational curse of living paycheck to paycheck, regain total ownership over your daily time, and condense a 40-year corporate rat race into a focused 10 to 15-year blueprint for complete financial sovereignty.